In this video, I'm going to teach you how to recover your banned WhatsApp account. Maybe WhatsApp has mistakenly banned your WhatsApp number from using WhatsApp, or somebody has reported you to WhatsApp and then they have banned your WhatsApp account. So if you watch this video to the end, I'm going to teach you how to recover your banned WhatsApp number. So first of all, you launch your Google and then you search for something like contact WhatsApp. Contact WhatsApp. You search for contact WhatsApp. So you can choose to click here, or you can choose to click on the second one. So I select the second one. Select the second one. So contact WhatsApp. So if you are using WhatsApp Messenger, you select contact us. If you are using WhatsApp Business, you select contact us. So for me, I'm using WhatsApp Messenger, so I select contact us on WhatsApp Messenger. So we have contact WhatsApp support. So here you are going straight to enter your phone number. So we have the first box. So if you are in Nigeria, you choose Nigeria. If you are from anywhere you are, if you are from Namibia, if you are from Italy, if you are from Japan, you choose. So I'm from Ghana, so I choose Ghana, and then you enter your WhatsApp number. You enter your WhatsApp number. So I have my WhatsApp number here. So I have my WhatsApp number. Then here you enter your email address. You enter your valid email address. So I have my email address. Then you confirm your email address as well. Then here we have, how do you use WhatsApp? Are you using WhatsApp on Android? Are you using WhatsApp on iPhone? Are you using WhatsApp on a desktop? Then you choose. So I'm using WhatsApp on Android, so I choose Android. Then here you enter your message below. What message do you want to send to WhatsApp so that they will unban your WhatsApp account? So this is what you are going to write. Write exactly what you are seeing on your screen. Hello WhatsApp team, my WhatsApp number is banned. I'm sorry, I installed third-party app by mistake. Please unban my WhatsApp account immediately. Thank you. So after you have written this, as I told you, you need to write the same thing I've written here. You need to write the same thing I've written here, and then you select next step. You select next step. So we have next step here. So when you select next step, a message will be sent to WhatsApp. A message will be sent to WhatsApp. So when the message has been sent, WhatsApp will reply you through your email address. Are you getting me? This is a sample of the email they are going to send to you. This is the sample. Hi, thanks for your message. We understand you are currently unable to access WhatsApp, and we are working diligently to answer your request. We appreciate your patience and we will get back to you as soon as possible. For more information, please read this article. So this is the sample of the message WhatsApp is going to send to you in your email address. So if you are interested, you can read that article they are asking you to read. You get So after they have gone through your request, in some few minutes or in some few hours, they will send you another message confirming to you that they have unbanned your WhatsApp. So we can see the sample here as well. So let me read to you what WhatsApp will send to you after they have unbanned your WhatsApp account. So it reads, "Hi, thanks for your message. Your WhatsApp account was banned because you violated our terms of services." So you might have violated WhatsApp terms and conditions. That is why they banned your WhatsApp account. Please review this article for more examples of actions that result in an account becoming banned. At this time, your account has been unbanned, but please abide by the following. Only communicate with users you know and those who wish to receive messages from you. That is 1. 2. Ask your friends to save your phone number in their address book. 3. Avoid sending repetitive or promotional messages to WhatsApp groups. So you see, WhatsApp is telling you that should in case you violate the rules again, they are going to ban your WhatsApp permanently and you cannot do anything again. Are you getting me? This method I just taught you how to unban your WhatsApp account might not work for you if people have reported your WhatsApp account several times. But you can try it, you can try your luck. If it works for you, kindly let me know in the comment section. If you also want to learn anything concerning WhatsApp tricks, WhatsApp strategies, please let me know in the comment section so I can record a video for you.